Exempt, making customs simple. Here's how to create a Bahamas Customs C17 declaration form if you are a returning resident. Step 1. Select C17 form for accompanied baggage. Step 2. Enter travel information by selecting an airline or vessel, entering the flight or vessel number, selecting the number of passengers in your party, including you, selecting the country you are traveling from, selecting the state you are traveling from, selecting the city you are traveling from, selecting your date of travel, entering the number of bags you have, entering the length of your trip, and finally, entering the number of receipts being submitted. Step 3. Enter baggage information. From the baggage information screen, tap Add Item. For the first item, you'll enter the quantity of the item. Select its category. Select the store it was purchased from. Enter the description of the item, including brand and style. Enter the cost of the item. Finally, enter the tax percentage paid on the item, and repeat this process for each additional item by tapping Add Item. Step 4. Follow this demonstration on the screen to upload your invoices. Step 5. Choose your exemption status. Step 6. Accept the declaration terms. Step 7. Calculate duty and submit to customs. A submission received confirmation will generate with your C17 form number. Tap OK to view the download and save your completed C17 form. Exempt, making customs simple.